So, so today we have a very unique statement or problem statement by my company. So let we understand what is a problem statement, then we find out the solutions and design the system. Okay. So let's discuss them. Suppose they want such kind of data. Okay. They want such kind of data in different tables and display in dashboard. Okay. So that is our problem statement to get this all data in different tables, and each tables have some fields which are connected to each others. Okay, so let's design the one API for that. So let me go here. So what we do first, we need four kind of tables. We have a four type of tables. Which kind of tables? They are actually let me go upper side, just a minute. Yeah, so we have client name, JD, it means job description, prospect, and application. We need a data from these tables. What data we need? Let me show you. So, so which kind of data we need? We need client name from client table, JD and JD date from job description, prospect created from prospect tables, applications, and rest of all we want to fetch from application table. Okay, so when you have used SQLite ORM tools in your application, so you must be have one idea. If you want to find a different data from different tables, you need to be relation between them. So first we create association between them. If in our code it already exists, so no need to create again. Okay, then we come to the API design. Okay, so let what our goals. We want to find or fetch all the data which coming from client, job description, prospect, and application. So client has a client ID which associated with job description. This job description, job JD ID also associated with the prospect ID, and prospect ID associated with the application. So these all are connected to each other. So we are going to first create one gate API, because this is a gate API because we are going to find the data. So when we fire this API, it goes to the routes folder. Okay, in routes folder we define our routes. Okay, then routes can divert or transfer or call to the controller, where we have defined our services. Then this controller sends the request to the services, and services has a core logic. What we do here, we create a method or functions, and first we find the client. So we have to fire client.findAll, okay, where client ID exists. Then we find out the client or company name. Now include the job descriptions, and whatever the client ID had in the job description, return the data with name, JD name, and create it. Okay. Now again include the prospect table, and whatever the prospect table have in JD, we can return it. And then come into the application table. In application table, we first find the prospect ID. Which prospect ID match with application prospect ID? If they match, then return the all data, and return the all data as a data. Now That is our goal. So this is a very simple our system design, how our system API work. It is a low level design, and now real coding is going to be do a few minutes later. So this is our today task. That's all.